All right, I have been waiting to do this for a long time. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are destroying the abandoned fishery and hatchery that was left on my property. Now, there are concrete troughs within this hatchery that are actually in really good condition, and my goal during all this was to destroy the surrounding structure, all the walls, the roof, and everything, but keeping those concrete troughs intact. And as you'll see in the video, I was able to do that. Now, my goal is basically to remove all this debris here and then eventually build a much larger greenhouse over all of this and get the concrete troughs active again. But before I do that, I just need to destroy all this, very unstable structure here and clean it all up so I can build something fresh and new. The entire rest of this video is me simply destroying this building with this excavator. So I hope you enjoy. Crush. Oh, man! Jeez. All right, my brother now is going to be giving this a shot. Let's move forward a little bit. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. We're pulling down. And we're all back up. We're all back up. We're forward. We're pulling down. And we're pulling down. Oh, we go. Let's just clear all this out here. Let's just get this a little clear in here. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Right on down. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. All right. All right. And that's enough for today. We're gonna do the rest tomorrow. It's getting dark out. Okay, I had a great night's rest. It's officially day 2 here. And well, we can see we got a lot of the destruction done. We got a whole lot of the destruction done, but there's still some more to go. So from this side, you can see there's still those internal walls over there. Those have to come down. This tall stuff here, that has to be crumbled. And then this, you know, as much as I can from this structure over here, I have to get to. I'm gonna try to drive the excavator over there to maybe push over that wall over there, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to reach it. As for the concrete troughs here below, I'm honestly not sure if any major damage has been done to them. You know, they all look, you know, pretty well put together. I don't see any major cracks or anything. But I don't know if I'm gonna find out, you know, if there's a massive crack in it until all this rubble gets pulled off of it. But yeah, so let's get back into that thing over there and let's do the rest of the destruction. Oh man, that hit me. There we go. All right. This is really fun. Okay, so I got a lot more that smashed, but there's still some more to do and just overall crushing to do. So I think I'm just gonna set my phone on time lapse and, you know, just go crushing. I wanna crush everything as much to a crumble as possible because that's just gonna make it easier once it's time to, you know, take everything out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the destruction is completely done. I did as much crushing and breaking as possible with the excavator. We got a massive pile of rubble there. Just that one wall back there still stands. I'm gonna have to remove a lot of the wood off here, and then honestly, I'm just gonna try to push it down. But besides that, I was able to reach everything else, and I believe the concrete troughs are still in good shape. So that's what we're up. That was my goal, and it looks like we accomplished that. Now, I gotta figure out the cheapest and easiest way to get rid of all this junk. So am I gonna call a trash removal company? Am I gonna, you know, rent a dumpster and get it all in there myself? We'll figure that out. But the destruction of the actual fishery and the saving of the troughs, you know, that is done. And yeah, pretty soon I'm hoping we can just get this place cleaned up now and then level it out, you know, fill in the spots with gravel and then build a greenhouse.